I'm gonna do a quick video on how to put Freon in your Toyota Tundra, and this could be for any vehicle. It's very simple to do. First, go to AutoZone and pick up you some Freon. It costs around $8-9, and then you start your vehicle up and you turn your AC to the maximum, the coldest it can get, and you turn it on high. Once you do that, you go and find your input connection. And mine is right here on my Toyota Tundra. And these are the simple instructions. First, you want to shake the can up aggressively, and then you want to put your connector on. And while you putting the Freon in, just move it side to side. Once it's about empty, turn it upside down. So I'm going to demo it to you. It's really simple. As you can see, I'm shaking this can up aggressively. And you want it in the upright position when you're putting the Freon in. And get this connector right here, and you can get these from AutoZone, and they're not that expensive. But as you can see, I'm gonna screw it on until it's really snug, tight. Don't over tighten it, you might break it. And once you get it on, you put it on this connector, you pull this quick disconnect up, and you'll hear it click on, and that's it. And as you can see, the pressure is showing that it's low. Once I push the trigger, it's putting Freon in. And once I release it, you see it's going up a little bit. So as you're putting it in, shake it a little bit. Once you push the trigger in, it's putting Freon in your vehicle. Every time you release it, it'll show the amount that you have put in there, or what you have. See, I want to get mine to the green. And I was reading about the Toyota Tundra. It takes 21 ounces. So you just need one can. Try one can first, and if it do leak out or it's empty within a month, you have some other problem. But as you can see, I'm shaking it while I'm putting it in. And I'm just releasing this just to show you how much is going in. As you can see, it's almost at 30. And I'm going to continue to shake it and put it in. And you can tell when your Freon is low. You just turn your AC on. If it's cooling and it's not cooling like it used to, that means it's kind of low. So if you're going to run and take it to the auto mechanic, they're going to charge you about $100 to do something that's going to cost you about $10. As you can see, it's about empty now, the can. I'm just turning it upside down. And I'm pressing the button while I'm turning it upside down. And save yourself some money. Do this yourself. Don't take this vehicle to auto mechanic just to do simple things like this. You save yourself a lot of money, time, effort. It's real simple. You can see I'm good. It's right in between the green. So this should last me probably another 2 years. So now I'm gonna go ahead and quick disconnect this. And I'm gonna put my finger on it, make sure it's not leaking. And you should have a little connector on there. I lost mine, but mine is not leaking. So once you quick disconnect it, just take the can and squeeze the little trigger and release the rest of the Freon. Shouldn't be much of it in there. Once you do that, just go to your vehicle and check and see how cool your air is blowing now. Oh yeah, this nice now. It's really cool. Like before, it was semi-cool. It wasn't getting cool, but since I put that one can in, it's doing okay. Like I said, this should last me a couple of years. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.